Shalom, Saints. If you are a part of a community or a home assembly within Straitway and interested in submitting a video for Straitway TV, please have your leadership reach out to Michael Israel. Bless you.
Shalom, Saints, and welcome to StraitwayNetwork.com. Today we'll be formally introducing the website and show you how to become a member. Straitway Network is a set-apart online community allowing Yah's people to stay connected with one another. Our desire is for Saints to utilize this platform to be engaged and truly operate as one nation. Here you can stay up to date on what's happening in Straitway and share your gifts and talents with one another, whether it's through your business or sharing edifying content. Now, before touring the website, we are going to explain the process of becoming a member and what the membership entails. So if you look in the right-hand corner, you'll see Join the Community. You're going to click on that. Okay. There are two memberships, Business and General User. You will select the membership that best applies to you.
The business membership allows Saints to promote and share their business services or goods all in one convenient location.
General users have total access to the content on Straitway Network. They can also share videos, articles, and endless edifying content. All members have to be verified, so when you sign up, your account will be placed on a temporary hold until approved by leadership. You should receive an email notifying you of this, and it will give you instructions to follow in order to be verified in a timely manner. Please make sure your profile's basic information portion is completed with your name and your head of assembly. If you do not see this email in your primary inbox, please check your inbox promotions or spams. So we are going to go through the process of joining. So we're going to join as a business member, and it is the same process to create an account. Okay, so we're going to enter our email and password and confirm both. All right, now we're going to create my profile. So here you will see it says check your email now. Your account has been created and is awaiting approval. Click to continue. So even though your account is placed on a temporary hold, you're still able to go into your account and set it up. You can still access your profile and add all your personal and business information while you wait for your account to be approved. Know that your post will not be visible on the site until approved by leadership. There will be a separate tutorial video on how to set up and utilize the account on Straitway Network. Please do not hesitate to reach out if you need any assistance by clicking on Contact Us and completing the form, or emailing us at info@straitwaynetwork.com. I want to show you where I want you to put in the information to be approved for Straitway Network. Okay, you're going to go basic information. You're going to put your first and last name and put your head of assembly. So as you can see, the example is Straitway Nashville, Brother Michael. And once you have that in, you're going to scroll down and hit save and continue. Okay, now we're going to just go ahead and sign out. And now we are going to quickly tour the website, but as Saints join, the content and membership capabilities will grow and improve as well. Here on the home page, you can see the menu bar where you can access different pages on the site. We have the home, Straitway News, Straitway Media, Member Directory, and About Us. Okay, Saints, so I just wanted to show you the mobile view on my phone. For the website, the mobile view is the same as the desktop view except for the menu bar. So if you look in the right hand corner, you'll see three little white lines. You'll click on that and that will give you the menu tab. Okay, so you still have the home, Straitway News, Straitway Media, Member Directory, and About Us. Currently on the home page, there is a rotating banner that when clicked on will take you to the direct pages such as Pastor Dowell's Patreon page or Blog Talk. And below we have Straitway directory categories for various businesses and services. If you are in need of a service or a product, you can click on the category that best describes what you're looking for. So we have books and activities, construction, fitness, herbal apothecary, homeschooling, personal care, household goods. So let us just click on categories just so you can see. Click the category. And here you have household herbs. This has already been verified. So we're going to view listing. And here you'll be able to message or write a review. Here is the company details. the name. So here you'll be able to click and be taken directly to their website, and businesses will be able to list their products to view as well. Now we're going to move on to Straitway News. Here you will find news and announcements. This page is to be utilized by leadership to get information out to all saints. So if you're in leadership, email us with your announcement and it will be posted here. Currently on this page we have information about Passover, blog talk announcements, and other events that have occurred. They will be updated as new information events occur. Okay, so now we're going to go to our Straitway Media. Our Straitway Media page has Straitway's weekly live schedule with links to the direct blog talk or YouTube page. Soon, Saints will be able to upload media content such as videos and pictures on this page. Next is the member directory. Here you will see our current members. As Saints are approved, the member directory will grow. Finally, the About Us page just gives insight on the vision of Straitway Network.
Important final notes. In order to verify members in a timely manner, all community and assembly heads please submit a complete list of saints that are approved to become members of Straitway Network by emailing us at info@straitwaynetwork.com. Also, since the original launch of Straitway Network, there has been updates to the website, prompting us to delete many profile accounts set up before the month of January. If your account was deleted, please join now. We apologize for the inconvenience. We pray this video was helpful and are truly excited to see how this platform blesses Israel. Shalom, shalom.
If you are part of a community or home assembly within Straitway and interested in submitting a video for Straitway TV, please have your leadership reach out to Michael Israel. We welcome more righteous content.